How's it going? So I am starting off this video with a new brake job for the BMW. My friends at Centric were nice enough to partner with me and send me some new pads and rotors. I'm excited to try these brakes out. I feel like they are going to be a lot better than what's on the car now. I have about a week till my next drift event, so I'm giving myself plenty of time to prepare. This is something that I've kind of overlooked since I started drifting the car, so I just want to get some good brakes on there because I know it makes a difference when you're driving. So yeah, I'm gonna get this car in the air and we're gonna start taking apart the brakes. Alright, rears are completely done. That wasn't too hard because I've taken the brakes off in the back before. Fronts are giving me a little bit of a fight just because they're rusty and I've never taken them off before, but we're determined. We'll get this. So I should really learn by now that anything that is usually simple on a car is not going to be simple on the BMW. My front calipers are what I would like to call boofed. I could not get my front calipers to compress for the life of me. I tried every little trick in the book and it just wasn't working. So I hit up E46 Connect on Instagram and I got some new calipers. That being said, we're gonna put the new calipers in, put the brakes completely on, and hopefully we'll be done. Oh my god, I should not be touching this. Oh yeah. Good morning. As you can see behind me, the sun is rising. It is Saturday morning. The drift event is tomorrow. I'm on my way to the Cosmo Tire warehouse to pick up some tires. I'm really excited to try out the Mucho Machos. I've heard they're great. They don't chunk. And I'm finally going to be able to try them for myself and give you guys my opinion on them. I have about an hour and a half drive, so I will see you guys when I get there. Alright, so I just picked up the tires. The minute I stepped out of the car in the parking lot, it smelled like tires. It was so good. But thank you, Cosmo Tires, for letting me try this out. I am really excited about these. Well, I just picked up tires for the BMW, but I am stuck at a Wawa. I'm just not having the best luck with tires recently. Alright, I just spent the past 30 minutes looking for a tire shop around here that has both a tire my size and a spline drive key for my wheels, and luckily I found a Tire Kingdom like 7 minutes away. I am limping this car right now to the tire shop. We're almost there. No, that's fine.
Damn. You lost your skirt. You're through with it. It's a good thing.
First time off the track.
You lost your skirt.
Here.
Come on, man.
Oh my god.
Hey Kate, thanks for the free bumper.
So as you saw, I sent it a little too hard. I only lost a bumper and a side skirt, luckily, so I'm just gonna keep driving and do better.
Hey. Brakes work. Still recording. You've been recording the whole time.
Oh my god.
No, not that one.
It is the day after the event. That was a pretty crazy one, but it was a lot of fun. I'm not even mad I went off the track. It happens. I luckily did not break anything significant, just a bumper in the side skirt, which I'll get those sorted out. The car honestly wasn't driving its best. I was driving the entire event on a blown coilover. The Centric brakes worked beautifully. I am so happy I was able to get new brakes on the car. I noticed a difference whenever even I was just left foot braking. Like, you could tell a little difference, and definitely took some getting used to after only driving on pretty much no pad in the front. I ran one set of the Mucho Machos the entire event. I am beyond impressed with their performance. I loved driving on them. It felt great, and they last really long. I even drove home on them. They still have like a decent amount of tread left. My next couple of videos are probably just going to be me working on the car. I decided to just take a pause on driving and get this car completely solid. There are definitely some kinks that I want to work out in it. I need to reinforce the subframe still. Anyways, I'm going to end the video here. If you liked it, make sure to hit the like button, leave a comment down below what you guys thought. I know there was a lot going on in this video, but I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.